Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make full screen videos on CapCut. The steps are really easy, so make sure to watch and till the end of the video. So what we need to do is we just need to click on new project and select the video that we want to make full screen, and just click on the add button at the bottom right part of the screen. From here we're just going to select the video from the timeline, so just click on the video, and as you can see it is already selected. From here what you can do to completely make it full screen is that you can actually just hover it like with your two fingers, zoom it like this, and there's also a maximize option right here to preview the video as full screen. And if you're already satisfied with your video, you can actually just export it the way you want to. So that's how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below if you have any questions. So see you all on the next video.